Hey, welcome to Stupid Food Review Show. I'm your host, as always, Jesus in a Tortilla, or Rallies, or Checkers, whatever, but it's Rallies where I'm at. And we got the new Bacon Brewhouse Mother Cruncher. I love just saying it. Bacon Brewhouse Mother Cruncher. I don't even know. These are all just wrapped and they're not labeled anything new to let us know. I think this is one of them. This is the new Bacon Brewhouse Mother Cruncher chicken sandwich. I was sure it was called the Mother Clucker. Damn it, and then it's not in it. Of all the things I grabbed, damn it, totally wasn't it. Of course that wasn't it. It's only freaking... Here we go. The Bacon Brewhouse Mother Cruncher. It is got a lot going on. It's got spicy pickles, which I'm excited for. There's a lot of Rally's has great bacon, by the way. Great bacon. And it's got like fried onions and a sauce and I don't know what's all on this thing. Oh, but it's got beer cheese. That's what I'm excited for, actually. It's kind of already, it's already melted for some reason. It's not really, but it's there. That's why it's Brewhouse, because it's got beer cheese. I like beer cheese a lot. I'm excited. I'm hoping this tastes good. Hot. Woo! Hot sandwich. Bake ham. Their bacon is legendary. I don't know. Not really picking up that beer cheese yet. But it is dripping out. Maybe we'll try one of these spicy pickles on this next bite. That is a strong pickle. You know, Rally's joined into the chicken sandwich wars with the Mother Cruncher. They already had chicken sandwich, but their Mother Cruncher is kind of like was their first foray into the chicken wars, and it's a good sandwich. It doesn't get enough credit. It's a nice, crunchy chicken sandwich that's not out of control with the thickness. I know that everybody wants a giant, thick chicken breast, but those sometimes are not my favorite thing. I like a little bit. This is nice, thin chicken patty, and the bacon is freaking awesome. Well, I don't know if this one works for me. A little bit of spice from those pickles, and I love the bacon. I just can't really hear me try to get that taste of that cheese. I don't know, that beer cheese is just too mild. I can't really taste it. All in all, all the components together as a whole, that makes a good sandwich. It's just nothing special about it. Because, I like the bacon. I like those spicy pickles. I like the onion straws. They all form a good sandwich as a whole, but there's nothing special about it. Because I can't taste that beer cheese. And it maybe needs a little bit of mayo too. There you have it. The new bacon Brewhouse at Rally's. Not a bad sandwich, but it's just nothing special about it. I don't. I just don't taste anything, I don't know, fancy or whatever. It's not bad. I'll say it's, 7.4. Not too bad. Not too great of the Mother Cruncher, list of Mother Crunchers. I think there's like 2 or 3 or 4 Mother Crunchers. I don't know. But I'll say what did I say? Whatever I said, you got to rewind it. Love you, babe.